Here we are, finding ourselves on the road again. It's a Sunday. Had a great weekend, great restart. Got to spend some much needed time with the wife and kids. Got to physically be in church this weekend, so that was great. And we're currently headed to McPherson, Kansas to a county job that unloads tomorrow morning. Decided to go ahead and head up now. It allows me to get up there, get shut down, take our break, and then get on location first thing in the morning tomorrow. So that's the plan there. The weather is beautiful today. It's 83 degrees out. A little bit of wind. That's all right. Traffic isn't too bad on Sunday. It's another good thing for going north. Avoid all the people going back to work in the morning. Of course, our load delivered so early that it was a preload. The crew came in probably earlier today or sometime yesterday and loaded it. It was not loaded on Friday when we came in, so like I said, they must have come to work on Saturday or early this morning and got them done. They had, gosh, had so many trailers lined up out there. I think they had like 8 preloads for today to get done, or 8 preloads for tomorrow rather, for Monday delivery. You know, most of these loads go to county outfits and state outfits. They obviously don't work weekends. Just wanted to update. Got our load on. Everything in the truck is working right. Fired right up over the weekend. Of course, we shut off our inverter, so we didn't have any power running from our batteries for that. And we shut off our refrigerator. We've got some clean clothes in the truck. Got our suitcase back there. Got our bedding washed. We did do a little bit of shopping at the Sam's. Got a case of water and some a box of popcorn, like little mini popcorn bags that are, you know, already popped. It's not microwavable popcorn. It's popped popcorn, but you know, just trying to watch our salt intake and all that good stuff, our sodium, watch our calories and whatnot. You know, you can eat healthy on the road. You just have to be conscious about it. Now, when you're in a hurry and you're in a bind, I get it. Sometimes you got to grab a piece of pizza or you got to grab a burger or something like that. And I have, and I will. But if you're making conscious decisions when you have the time, then it just puts you in a better place for whenever you don't have the time. You know what I mean? But we're going to keep on keeping on here. Try to update y'all whenever we get shut down for the evening. Do a little sign off for tonight. For now, I guess, just enjoy the ride. it to McPherson. Several spots to be had still, looks like. Oh yeah, plenty of spots to be had. Wheel this thing on in there. I'll find us a good one. We'll probably go get us a bite to eat. It's supper time now. This one usually stays pretty quiet, not a lot of riffraff or anything. I think my truck's in the middle of a regen. I'm trying to cool it down a little bit. Prime, I don't know which way he's going. Looks like he's grabbing a spot right there. We're gonna go this way. Good looking Pete, stretched out. Probably grab some along that back row over there. You know, I think we're gonna go this way. Park next to that red Volvo right there. That way it's straight out. All these on this row right here in front of me, these people are gonna have to turn out. Oh man, the perfect one right there too, next to that Kenworth, that Freightliner. But we'll still go with next to the Volvo. So we've got this bobtail sitting here too. Heck, they got their windows down. AC or something ain't working. I'm gonna go next to the bobtail after all. Those angle parks, they're all right, but you get people piled up in here in the middle of the night. They might not pull out of there right. That's it. We didn't bump the bricks yet. There we go. Just wanted to straighten out that front end just a little bit more. High temp exhaust. Turn that fan on. We'll idle it up. Hopefully it can finish itself off. Those regens, cleaning out that DEF filter. You can smell it. Smell that hot exhaust. Been trucking all day and it just now decided to do its burn, but that's all right. It'll have some time tomorrow on the way back if it doesn't finish off. Well, we'll do a little walk around on the truck, make sure everything's all right, and yeah, go get ourselves a bite to eat. So appreciate you tuning in on this one. Hope you enjoyed kind of just riding for a little bit, just enjoying the sights. A little bit different than what we've done in the past, but yeah, just wanted to change it up a little bit. Anyway, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to know whenever we post a new video or even go live. Hopefully be going live here in the near future on a couple of different things. Man, that was a good looking Pete. Anyway, thank you for joining us. Until next time, keep it between the mayonnaise and the mustard. Take care.